Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you a really simple method to earn up to $100 every 60 seconds by just making research. With this method you don't even need your own websites, you don't need to pay for anything, and the best part is that you can do this on your mobile phone. All you have to do is to make research just like this. Look at my screen right here, these are some of the earning from the month of June. As you can see, some of the payment are more than $1,000. These are daily earnings using these exact methods. All you have to do is to listen to everything I'm gonna said in this video and follow the steps exactly how I'm gonna tell you. And smash that like button if you really like this video, to show you want more from me. And I'm gonna keep on updating you guys when a new method drops. So subscribe if you are new to this channel. We're gonna start this very quick, so pay attention right here. The first step is to go to MicrosoftRewards.com. Who is more reputable to do paid web searching for than Microsoft? You guys remember Bing, right? Bing is Microsoft's equivalent to Google, and guess what? You got it, Bing will pay you to search the web. To get paid for searching the web, you have to install and set up a free Microsoft Rewards account. Each time you use Bing and enter a search term, you will earn points. These points or rewards are accumulated and tracked on a credit counter in your browser. Alternatively, you can download something called the Bing Bar on your browser and input your search terms that way instead. You can also receive rewards by taking quizzes, renting videos, answering polls, and a whole bunch of other things. But how many points do you earn, and what can you do with them? Each search will earn you 5 points, and you can either redeem them for airline miles or hotels, gift cards, or even donate your earnings to charity. How to get started? Click on the link below in my description and sign up for free. And start making research to earn money. Let's move on to the second website, which is Wonder.com. Here you can get paid for searching the web if you love researching and writing too. Ask Wonder hires Wonder researchers to look up the answers to queries and write reports for clients. Your sole duty is to scour the web in search of the answer. You will be paid per task, so you know exactly what you'll make before you start your research. What is the pay for a Wonder researcher, you ask? Well, the pay varies depending on the question you're assigned. Simple questions go for about $8, and more complex requests pay up to $35. Ask Wonder's hourly rates can be anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour when you're first starting out. They make payments every 2 weeks, and there isn't a minimum payment threshold you have to meet either. How to get started? Head on over to their website and you'll see the word "Become a Researcher" at the top right hand corner of the website. When you click on that, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in your details. From there, you can begin the application process. And the requirements. There are no degree requirements, but you will have to take and pass a test, along with 3 practice requests, and then you're ready to start. Getting paid for searching the web never sounded easier, eh? That's all I have for you today. See you in my next videos, but don't forget to subscribe to Money Giant. See you.